My name's Reese Madden. I work on Hypertherm's North American marketing team. We got a great booth at Fabtech this year. We thought we'd give you a quick look around. So the first thing our visitors see is this huge video wall where we are highlighting our rapid part technology, which is a focus for us at the show this year, as well as our fiber laser technology, which is something we introduced last year at the show, but we have an expanded product line that we're demonstrating live at this year's show. What you see up there right now is we also have some educational sessions that we're running throughout the show. Every half hour we're doing 10-minute free educational sessions. We're in between sessions right now, but these have been very well attended. A lot of people getting a lot of good information from the experts at Hypertherm. Let's head on over here. We'll head to this corner of the booth. Point out the Metal Center News #1 favorite cutting brand in their 2011 Readers Poll. We're obviously very happy about that. Steel Service Center executives rated Hypertherm #1 for metal cutting brands. And that's something, of course, we're very pleased about. Certainly happy for their support. This area of the booth here is our consumable and torch upgrade area, where we're talking about, of course, consumable and torch technology. We have a lot of great upgrade products, retrofit products for our customers and customers with other brands of plasma equipment in their cutting operation. We make some CentraCut branded torches and consumables for ESOB equipment as well as for Caliburn. But most of the time we're focused on our Hypertherm brand of consumables and all the good things we can do for customers there, whether it's a air plasma system or one of our HPR systems or other mechanized systems. So a lot of good technology here, a lot of interesting things that we can talk about with customers. Moving around this side of the booth, we have our Powermax area. Powermax is our line of air plasma products. We have 5 products in this product line. Most of the time they're used for hand cutting, but we're really trying to change people's perception of what they can do with these systems. We do offer mechanized torches for 4 of those systems. We're now getting ready to introduce a robotic torch as well. So there really are a lot of applications, whether it's hand cutting, whether it is using a track cutter, a pipe beveler, an XY table, and now getting into robotic applications as well. I'll point out a couple of the different torches in the Duramax line. This is a standard hand cutting torch. Looks fairly similar to the things that we've done in the past. This has a 75-degree angle. What you don't see here is a lot of consumable technology and then plastics technology that makes this a much more durable and reliable torch than we've been able to produce in the past. This over here is really unique. We're the only one in the industry who are making this type of torch. This is a 15-degree hand cutting torch, perfect for gouging applications, also out of position cutting into tight corners. And this is really something the market was telling us, particularly around gouging, that the existing offerings from Hypertherm and other manufacturers just weren't giving them the kind of tool that they really needed. So we straightened this torch out. We moved the trigger back from the end to get the operator's hand away from all that intense heat that's produced with gouging, and we came up with this torch. It's really a winning combination of features with a lot of great benefits for the end user. We've got mechanized torches over here, as mentioned, and this 6-inch mini machine torch, which is great for pipe beveling applications, mechanized applications where the standard 15-inch mechanized torch just isn't going to fit. So a lot of great products, very popular products. We have a couple of different areas of the booth where we're talking about our full suite of products, our integrated plasma cutting solutions. This area of the booth where Keith is where we're highlighting our Truehole technology. That's something we introduced 2 years ago at Fabtech. Has really taken the market by storm, and we knew it would because it's based on great research, really that we did all over the world, not just in North America. We knew that customers wanted to make better holes with plasma, laser-like holes, bolt-ready holes. So we worked for a few years actually on technology that will allow us to do that. We have examples of those bolt-ready holes here, but really what we're focused on is the how it's done. Customers can certainly go to our website and see more about that. This same video is on our website. We have white papers and so forth to let people know this is not just a marketing term. There is really significant technology behind this that's allowing us to give these better quality holes to customers. this side of the booth, we're talking about our rapid part technology. This is something that we've really just started to talk about in the market within the past couple of months. Here's where we're delivering productivity gains up to 100%, mostly based on controlling the motion of the torch. Trying to control the torch in a very efficient way, limiting the amount of movement on the Z-axis up and down, as well as traveling in a smart path around the plate to avoid repeating or going over areas where we've already cut, to limit the amount of travel, but also to avoid tip-ups and make it a very much more efficient process. As you can see, delivering up to 100% increase in parts cut per hour. And of course, that's really critical in today's economy. In this area of the booth, we have really the front side of our integrated cutting solutions suite. We start with our CAM software. MTC is the brand name of that software. MTC is a company that Hypertherm acquired about a year and a half, 2 years ago. And they really make a great product, and that allows us to do some interesting things like the Truehole technology. It really required working with our CNC controller, which you see down here on this end, our torch height control, the nesting software, the CAM solutions from MTC, and then our plasma power supply. Putting all those things together and unlocking the full potential of all of them allowed us to deliver some benefits that others aren't able to deliver and that we hadn't been able to deliver previously. Things like Truehole technology and rapid part technology. So over here we've got the MTC ProNest software running on the end. We've got an ArcGlide THC. We've got an Edge Pro CNC, all part of the full suite of offerings from Hypertherm. Coming around to the back side of the booth, we've got a display of our Hypertherm Cutting Institute. We just introduced a new version of the HyperthermCuttingInstitute.com. Just within the past week, there's a lot of great information there, blogs, forums, as well as online education, videos, really great information for anybody who's looking to learn more about cutting technology, whether it's plasma technology or fiber laser. On this side of the display, we have cut samples, and that's really what it's all about for our customers, is what can they do with our products. We certainly focus on explaining the technology, how the technology works, what are some of the benefits. At the end of the day, it's about completing a cutting job, completing your cutting tasks, whatever that operation is. So clearly we want to focus a lot on the outcomes, and those of course are the cut samples that you see here, whether it's a Truehole cut sample, like these bolt ready holes that you see here. High performance HPR cut samples. Look at that beautiful edge quality there.
I don't think, I could be wrong, but I don't think
Fiber laser cut samples. A lot of people think about laser as being only for thin materials, and certainly it does a great job there. We're also able to cut thicker materials with our fiber laser, up to a ½ inch and even beyond that. So we have some samples of a variety of thicknesses here. Last thing we'll show off is our fiber laser. We've got a laser enclosure in this corner of the booth. We did introduce fiber laser at last year's show. That was a 1.5 kilowatt laser. This year we have also introduced a 1.0 kilowatt fiber laser, and at the show we are demonstrating our 2.0 kilowatt fiber laser. So now we have a family of 3 different products. They're essentially the same product, just different kilowatt levels, and of course for different thicknesses of cutting. We've been doing live demonstrations of this product throughout the show. We'll continue to do that for the next few days. We've seen an awful lot of interest from the market. There are others here who are demonstrating fiber laser technology as well. Hypertherm offers a complete integrated package and really makes it turnkey for someone who wants to get into fiber laser cutting. It's a terrific product. There's a lot of information about fiber laser on our website, and customers can certainly go there and learn what the technology is and why it might be of benefit to them. I'd encourage people to go take a look at a webinar that's on our website, where we have great training on the fiber laser and on the other products that you see here. So that's it for the Hypertherm booth at Fabtech 2011. I hope you've enjoyed this little walk around. Thanks very much.